Hi, wanna know how to insert SIM card into your Samsung Galaxy S24 FE? So, as a first step, we would need to take, of course, our SIM card and then this pin which comes in the box with this device. Then, we would need to take your phone and find this SIM slot which is located at the upper part of your phone. Here's it how it looks, and it has a little hole on it. We would need to take the pin and insert it right into this hole. And when you can feel that you can't go any deeper, you would need to push on it until the SIM slot will get out like this. Then, with the help of your nails, take the SIM slot out. Then here we would be able to see some drawings on both sides of the SIM slot. Here we got SIM number 1 and here SIM number 2. It doesn't matter in which you will place your SIM card if you are placing only one. So I'll take my SIM card, and here you can see on the drawing that on this left upper corner should be the cut corner. So I can see it on my SIM card. I'm putting it into the SIM slot. And we need to make sure that it's fixed properly and it's not falling out. Now we can take the SIM slot and put it back into our phone, but make sure that the holes on your phone and on the SIM slot matches. So let me show you how it looks. I got the hole on the phone and the hole on the SIM slot. And now just push it in until it will be like before. And this is it. We have successfully inserted our SIM card. Now we can make calls, type SMS, and also use mobile data. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.